in K-map. So in the previous video, we have seen that how to make a unstandard SOP or POS as a standard POS or SOP. After that, we have seen how to plot the min terms or max terms in the K-map. And now we will see how to make the grouping of cells. Okay. The very first thing is you can make a group of 2 to the power 2 means 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. If the thing is in a group, you can make a pair of single one also, means you can write a expression for a single one variable also, but you cannot make a pair of 3 variables, 5 variables, 7 variables, etc. So single pair I mean to say when single one min term or max term is there. When there is nothing is in neighborhood, then you have to write the expression for this single min term or max term. Dual means when you are having a group of 2 adjacent cells. Quad when you are having a 4 adjacent cells. Octa means 8 adjacent cells, and hexadeca means group of 16 variables which are in neighborhood. Now in this video we will see that how we can make a group of these variables. This is the grouping of two variables. If I say 2 variables means dual pair. How to make a dual pair? Let's take a case of 2 variable K-map. Okay. So this is 2 variable K-map and this is 2 variable K-map. So if 2 ones are in vertically neighborhood, then you can make a pair. If they are in horizontally neighborhood, you can make a pair. Okay, but you cannot make a pair of this diagonal ones. See, if this one is there and one more one is there, you cannot make a pair of these 2 ones. You can make a pair vertically, okay, or you can make a pair horizontally here or this position, anywhere. But the diagonal grouping is not allowed in case of K-map. I hope it is clear that in case of 2 variable K-map, you can make a pair of 2 vertical ones, 2 horizontal ones, but it is not allowed to make a pair of 2 diagonal ones. Okay, now come to the case of 3 variable K-map. In 3 variable K-map, here the same position is there, means either 2 horizontal neighborhood ones, just like these 2 ones or these 2 ones, okay, or it may be these 2 ones, okay, or this way also, or I can say this way also you can do, okay, but you cannot make a pair of these ones here. Means I can't make a pair of diagonal. That is not allowed. So this is the case. One more option is there, that for example here one is there and here one is there. Then you can make a pair of these 2 corners. Because we always say that this way, this point and this point are joint. Similarly, this point and this point are joint in a K-map. K-map is in folded way. So we can make a pair of these 2 ones. It may be the case these 2 corners can also happen. So you can make a pair of these 2 ways. It is a 3 variable K-map. Now come to the 4 variable K-map. This is 4 variable K-map. Here also what is happening that you can make a pair of these 2 ones here, or you can make a corner pair also, just like this way, this and this, or this and this. No issues with that. Okay, so this is the case. But here also diagonal pair is not allowed. If I say that, okay, make a pair of these 4 diagonals, not allowed. Okay, in this slide we are talking about the grouping of 2 variables. So 2 variables are allowed to make a group. It may be a horizontal way, it may be a vertical way, it may be a corner way. But diagonally placed 2 ones, 2 zeros are not allowed. Why I am placing 1? I am taking a case of SOP. When I am take the case of POS, then I will take as 0 zeros. But condition applies same. Means if here also 2 ones in horizontally, 2 ones in vertically, same case there also 2 zeros in horizontally or 2 zeros in vertically. Okay, so this is the case of grouping of 2 variables. Summary is, if you are making a pair of 2 variables, it should be horizontally or vertically. Okay, now come to the grouping of 4 variables. In case of 2 variable, because only 4 boxes are there, group of 4 variable means all the groups are filled with 1, 1, 1, 1. When I say all the groups are filled with 1, 1, 1, 1, it means its answer will be simply 1. If all of your cell boxes are filled with 1, answer is 1. And when all of your cell boxes are filled with 0, your answer is 0. Now come to the case of 3 variable K-map. In case of 3 variable K-map, 4 ones can be placed as this way or this way. Otherwise, it may be the case that 2 ones here and 2 ones here. Okay, we can make a pair of these 4. Or corner ones, this one, this one, this one and this one. Yes, you can make a pair of corner ones. So this is the case of 3 variable K-map. Now come to the case of 4 variable K-map. So 4 ones can be placed this way. You can make a pair of these 4s, means they should be adjacent placed. Okay, it should not be the case one is here, one is there. No, it should be placed close to each other or vertically also. Okay, or this way also, or corner. Okay, this is the corner ones. So this is the placements of ones. In this slide we are talking about the grouping of 4 variables. You are having 4 variables with you. How you can make a pair of these 4 variables? So the requirement is all the 4 variables should be adjacently placed. The very first thing. Okay. Second thing is you can make a pair of horizontally. You can make a pair of vertically. Okay. You can make a centralized 4 ones also. You can make a corner ones also, but diagonal pairs are not allowed. Okay. So this is the grouping of 4 variables. So till this point we have seen how to make a group of 2 variables or how to make a group of 4 variables. And 4 variable group is known as quad pair. Okay. Now grouping of 8 variables. Grouping of 8 variables does not apply for the 2 variable K-map. Why? Because 2 variable K-map has only 4 boxes and we have to make a group of 8 variables, which is not allowed. So if I take a case of 8 variables, it will be started with the 3 variable K-map, 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable and so on. So in 3 variable K-map, if all the 8 boxes are filled, then we will say that okay, its answer will be 1. Now come to the case of 4 variable K-map. In case of 4 variable K-map, possibility is first 2 rows, because 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. It may be the case of last 2 rows. It may be the case of first and last. Okay. If I take it the horizontal way, or it may be the case of centralized 2 rows. If all are filled with ones, then only you can make a pair of 8 variables. It is known as the octapair. Or vertically also you can make a pair of these 8 ones or these 8 ones or these 8 ones, or you can take a first and last also. So it is known as the octapair. But here also we can't say that okay, if ones are in the place in such and such manner, you can make a pair. No, we cannot make a pair of diagonally placed ones. Okay, we have to make a pair of vertically aligned, horizontally aligned, corner wise, center wise, all are allowed, but diagonally pairs are not allowed. This is the case of grouping of 8 variables. Okay, it may be the case that when it is a POS. Now in the POS, instead of 1 1 1 1, there will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, zeros will be there instead of ones. Everything remains the same. Okay, if I say how to make the pairs, everything remains the same. The only change is just instead of 1 1 1, we are putting 0 0 zeros. Okay, this is the case. That how we can make a pair of 8 variables, 4 variables, 2 variables. The things to take care is only adjacent placed in terms or max terms can be clubbed as a group. And group will be in terms of 2 to power n, means 2 variables, 4 variables, 8 variables, 16 variables and so on. Okay, so this is the case. Let's move to the next thing. So grouping of 16 variables. Grouping of 16 variables is also known as hexadeca pair. Okay, so hexadeca pair is where 16 variables are there, and 16 variable means all the blocks are filled. Everywhere it is filled, 1 1 1 1, all the blocks are filled. So it is applicable only with the 4 variable K-map. It is known as hexadeca pair. If all the ones are filled, then the simple answer will be 1. Then don't think, give a second thought, answer is 1. Why answer is 1? Because in this case all the ones are filled. So if all the groups are filled with 1, the single answer is 1. This is the case of SOP. If the same is with the case of POS, all the 16 boxes are filled with zeros. For example, it is a case that all the 16 variables are filled with zeros, then your answer will be 0. Straightforward, just write 0. 0 is the answer. So this is the case that how we can write in K-map and how we can plot it, how we can group it. So group is single pair, dual pair, quad pair, octa pair, hexadeca pair that I have shown you. Now next is, after placing the values and after making it groups, how to write the expressions using K-map. So rules for the K-map grouping and expression is, the very first thing is create the maximum and bigger group. For example, if you are taking a SOP, try to make a bigger pair, means try to find out if 16 ones can be come together, or 8 ones, or 4 ones, or 2 ones. If nothing is there, a single one you have to write. Your least preference is single one or single zero, and the most preferred thing is all the ones should be there. I will show you also that how the number of ones affect the expression also, and how the expression affects the wiring or power dissipation also. So after making a bigger pair of ones or zeros, take the example of one group. Take out one group and then same way take out the group C at the left side and C at the top side. Okay, so whatsoever the common factor, write it. If 1 is there, write it A. If 0 is there, write it A bar. In case of min terms. In case of POS, the opposite will be happen, that if it is 0 corresponds to A and 1 corresponds to A bar in case of max terms. After that, you will write the corresponding expressions in term of SOP or POS. Okay, duplicacy of the groups are not allowed. Okay, you can make a duplicate pair only in the case when by taking the duplication you are getting some bigger pair. I will show you the same thing using examples also, that why duplicacy is not allowed and how we can make the duplicacy allowable. Okay, so let's take a simple example. For example, here 2 ones are there. We know that we can make a pair of these 2 ones. So you will see because this is the group, you will see left side also and above also. For example, this is a group number X. So group number X, when you see at the left side, here it is written A, here it is written 0 and 1. 0, 1, nothing is in common. So I am not taking the variable A. Now above is written B. This one corresponds to 0 and this one also corresponds to 0. Okay, both ones corresponds to 0 and 0 corresponds to B. So 0 means B bar. So the simple answer is B bar. Why I am taking B, why I am not taking A? Because in B, both this 0 or this 0 corresponds to B. That's why B bar. But in this case, this 0 corresponds to A, this 1 corresponds to A. Means nothing is in common. But when both zeros are corresponding to one value, then it means it is a common term. Then you can take it as a B bar. Okay. By chance, instead of this 0, if both are 1, then the answer will be B. Now come to the second example. In this example, you will see I have taken these 4 ones. Now, for example, the group number is X. Now, when you see left side of X, here also it is A means 0 and 1 means nothing is in common. So I am not taking A variable. Okay, so A variable we will not take. But in case of B and C, if you see at the above side, okay, this one corresponds to 0, 0. Okay, just write down 0, 0. This one also corresponds to 0, 0. 0, 0. This one corresponds to 0, 1. Just write 0, 1. And last one also corresponds to 0, 1. That's why 0, 1. Any issue with this thing? See what I have done? I have extracted the group, and after extraction of the group, I have started to see on the left side as well as on the top side. When I see at the left side, I come to know that this one both belongs to A, which is having the different values 0 or 1. Nothing is in common, so I am leaving the A. Above side PC, I have noted down all the values. Now anything is common? Yes. This 0 is in common and this 0 belongs to B, so B bar is the answer. So B bar is the answer. That's why here it is written B bar. Simple thing is, first of all, find out the group. After finding out the group, start looking on the left side and start looking on the top side. If at the left side you can getting something common, just note down that value. If at the above side you are getting something in common, just note down those values. Okay, if it is SOP, write in the SOP way. If it is POS, write in the POS way. Okay, so let's come to this point. It is the 4 variable K-map. Here they have given this 4 ones and 4 ones. Okay, now what is the value? Here 2 groups are there. It is not a single group in 8. No, 2 ones means 4 ones are here, 2 groups are there. For example, group number X and group number Y. X also 4 variables, Y also 4 variable. Now what is the value for X variable first? Row wise, 2 rows are there. First row corresponds to 0, 0. Second row corresponds to 0, 1. And variables are A and B. Okay, otherwise also this is also 0, 0, this is also 0, 1, it is also 0, 0, it is also 0, 1. So common term is this one, it is 0, so it will be A bar. Now above side, if you say at the top side, this and this. So this belongs to C and D. After taking C and D, this belongs to 0, first column 0 and second column 0, 1. So this C is in common with the value 0. So it is C bar. So finally you will write A bar and C bar. That is the final answer. See, it is A bar and from here we are getting C bar. So the finally you can write it A bar, C bar in totality. It is A bar, C bar. Okay, but question is still not completed. Why the question is still not completed? Because we have to write the expression for this also. So how can you write the expression for this? Here all the 4 ones corresponds to 1, 0. 1, 0 means C D bar. Now left side you can see that this one belongs to 0, 0, second one belongs to 0, 1, third one belongs to 1, 1 and fourth one belongs to 1, 0. And you can easily see that there is nothing is in common vertically. Okay, so the final answer will be Y equal to A bar C bar plus C D bar. So this is the case. Because in this particular question, in this particular K-map, there are 2 groups, this group and this group, which I name X and Y. Okay, after that, taking in a different way, then if I getting the expression for this function and this function, we are getting the final answer Y is equal to A bar C bar plus C D bar. So this is the case. Okay, so this is how we can write the expressions. After that, let's take one more examples that how we can write the expressions, because writing the expressions are much more important. Because see, in this case you can easily see that we are making a pair of these 2 ones. Now the case is, for example, if we are not making a pair of these 2 ones, now what will happen? Then the simple one, first one corresponds to A bar B bar, second one corresponds to A B bar. Final answer will be A bar B bar plus A B bar. A bar B bar plus A B bar means first of all you have to take the NOT gate, A bar B B bar, then you have to take a AND gate, then you have to take the OR gate. Here by taking the grouping, we are getting only a simple answer, that B bar. Simple B, put a NOT gate, inverter, and you are out. So last concept is don't care conditions. In don't care conditions, it may be represented by D or phi. Okay, don't care means using which thing you can make a bigger pair. Okay, it is a common term. It may be 0 or it may be 1. It is not necessary to put only 0 or only 1 means if it is a case of SOP, then don't care will be act as 0 or 1, whereas in case of POS, the don't care will be acted as 0. I'm writing over here also don't care, if it is a SOP, it will act as a 1. If it is a POS, it will act as a 0. Means it is a common thing that we can use with our existing minterms or maxterms to make a bigger pair. Okay, and the one most important thing is you cannot make pair of a don't cares only. Okay, don't cares are used only to facilitate the minterms or maxterms to make a bigger pair. But you cannot make a pair of only don't cares. Only don't cares are not allowed. Don't cares are only for the assisting minterms or maxterms to make a bigger pair. But if it is not in position to assist minterm or maxterm, leave it as such. Don't try to make a pair of only don't cares. Let's take an example. For example, this is a Boolean expression where it is given f equal to sigma small m 5, 7, 13 plus small d of 0, 1, 2, 3, 15. Now what you will do? Okay. Now 5, 7, 13. Put 5, 7, 13 here, the values, and d. Don't care will be represented by cross sign. This crosses. Okay. Now I am having such kind of thing. Okay. Using, see, these crosses are not there. I am having only 3 ones. This, this, and this. You can't make the pair of 4. But using this cross, you can make a bigger pair. Means instead of 2 pair, because see, if these crosses do not exist, then you will make a pair of these 2 ones. But instead of making these 2 ones, you can make a bigger pair of 4 ones. These 4 ones are known as f equal to BD. When you solve it, see, last one B is common and above last one is common, that is D, so BD. So the work of crosses are only to make a bigger pair. Otherwise, you are left with only 3 ones. 3 ones are not allowed to make a group. So you have to make a dual pair. By taking the crosses, you can make a bigger pair. And one thing more, you cannot make a pair of only crosses, because we cannot make a pair of only don't cares. That will be a extra pair. That is not allowed. Our motive is only to cover each and every minterm or maxterm rather than cover each and every variable. Okay, you're getting my point? Simple thing is, whenever you are plotting a SOP or POS, when you are plotting minterm, maxterm, and don't cares, just try to take the use of don't care for your bigger pair. That's it. Okay, that's all about your don't care positions or don't care conditions in K-map. Now, so this video is regarding the grouping and taking the expressions. In the next video, I will take the different examples of SOP, POS, don't care, etc. to make the things more clear. So that's all about this today's video. So thank you so much.